everyone. Today we are going to replace our homemade jack stands with these hard plastic jack stands that will give us a lot more sturdier place to bring the jacks down, and also spread the distribution of our jacks much better than the homegrown wood versions. When we have stayed at certain RV parks, we noticed that some of them have asphalt, some of them have concrete, and some of them have just rocks and gravel. We want to prevent our jacks from sinking into the gravel, and these products here will allow us to do it. Hard plastic, these go up to 35,000 pounds. They can hold up to 35,000 pounds each. So I think these are going to be a better solution than having the homegrown wood products on our coats. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to spray some silicone, wipe down the jack stands a little bit before we retract them, and then retract them, pull the coach back a little bit, and then put these in and put these in place of those wood ones. Okay? Completed replacing our new jack stands. These were the old ones, homemade, and now we have a solid industrial strength plastic to hold up the jacks. Much better than having the wood ones, which decay over time. Alright, so that's it for today. Team Roche RV. See ya.